Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Google reverse image search on mobile without installing anything. So Google reverse image search on mobile is possible without installing any apps, but there's no upload button by default in mobile view, so you must switch to your browser and to a desktop mode. So let's just go and open whatever browser you want or you have. For me, I'm just going to open Brave right here. And I'm just going to quit everything that I have in here. So let's just start a new tab. Of course, we would like to go to images.google.com. So go and do so, images.google.com, and hit the enter button. Once you do so, of course, they will ask you to log in into your Google account. So make sure to do so. I'll do that and come back. So I'm logged in right now. As you can see here, you'll find search with your camera. Search what you will see with Google Lens, and you can try it in Google Apps. So now we would like to go and open our browser menu and three dots. Once I am here, I'm just going to click on show all, scroll down, and you should find this request desktop sites. So once you click on it, you should be there. Of course, if you're on Android, it's going to be the same. You can click on three dots and you'll find switch to desktop. You can just go and click on that. So now here you can go and click on the camera icon. And from here, as an example, this will appear. So you can just go and upload an image or paste the URL image, and you will be able to use this reverse image search on mobile without installing anything. You can just go and click on search if you enter any URL, or you can click on upload a file and you can upload this from, or you can just take a photo right away. So let me just go and take a photo of the keyboard of my laptop as an example. So I just do that. I'm just going to click on use photo and let's just search. As you can see, I'll be able to search with it. Some alternative methods is you can use, an example, the lens.google.com. And you can just go from here, upload your image, and it will search a visually similar result. Just a note, Lens does not give exact find this image source like classic reverse search, but it works similarly. So if you want exact Google image reverse search like on desktop, desktop mode is required and no way around it without installing an app. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.